Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I am doing another vase and bowl, resin vase and bowl today. And I have taken a vase and I have painted it white. I just used my acrylic paint and have painted it with a sponge. Yes, there's some lines and some texture, but I'm hoping that will add to, I don't know, the beauty of the piece instead of using spray paint where it would be completely flat or completely, with no lines. But I want to see how it looks, so why not give it a try? So I don't know, let's get creating. I'm going to use that word. Let's get creating. Okay, so to start with, I am just using some 70% alcohol and wiping down my vase. I did let this white acrylic paint cure for a week. So if you're going to do this, make sure that you let it cure. Don't put your alcohol on it right away. I use art resin, which is equal parts of hardener and resin together. I always start with my hardener first, and for this project I need 6 ounces, and these little paper cups are 3 ounces each, so 2 cups of each, the hardener and the resin. I am gonna speed this up just a little bit here, so because this is kind of the boring part, but at the same time it's probably one of the most important parts. You really need to make sure that your ratios are equal, and I don't measure by weight when it comes to resin. I measure by volume. That's how this specific resin is recommended. I know some of the resins out there do recommend by weight, but this one is by volume. So yeah, and just making sure that your, like I said, ratios are equal, and then we are going to mix, and I do mix this for 3 minutes, scraping the sides, the edges, my stick, scraping everything, going across the bottom, really just making sure that this resin is completely incorporated. If you're unsure of the time that you need to mix your resin, definitely do it again. So I am using TLP Sapphire. I love that dark blue. It's so beautiful. And TLP's Mermaid as well. It has a really cool kind of color shift to it. And TLP's Macaw, which is an indigo gold color shift. This is Pearl-X pigment, and it is antique bronze. I know you didn't really see it there, but it's antique bronze. And then I also have some brown sparkles you're going to see. That's just me showing the color. And then, some brown sparkles I'm going to add into that antique bronze. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up. And I would love if you would leave me a comment down below, or if you have any questions, please post them down below and I will definitely get back to you. So I'm going to pop on some music here, and I want you to enjoy this, and I will see you later on in the video. I will have the final results of these two pieces up next week, so be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!